Welcome to this overview of Accounting Basics for Entrepreneurs. Accounting Basics for Entrepreneurs is an online course created by me, Eulica Kimber, CPA, MBA, and business growth coach, to help entrepreneurs understand the language of business. Yes, business has a language, and that language is accounting. So many of the terms that you use and hear when talking about business, income, expense, revenue, profit, loss, are accounting terms. Even when you think about Black Friday, a term that we hear, it's about a big sale that we have the day after Thanksgiving. Black is an accounting term. In the black means profit. In the red means in debt, or you're not making as much as you're spending. So all these terms that we kind of hear floating around, this is the key to your profitability, folks. Accounting Basis for Entrepreneurs equips entrepreneurs to understand the language of business and to be able to use that information about their business to be able to make data-based decisions that can move you to profitability. Your business is talking to you, but do you understand the language to be able to understand and respond to what it's saying? So let me tell you who I am if you haven't met me. My name is Eulica Kimber. I'm a certified public accountant. I hold a master's degree in the business administration. I'm an author, speaker, and business coach. I've been in this space for over 30 years. I'm accounting, audit, and business consulting. And I love entrepreneurship. Just the idea that we as entrepreneurs can create wealth out of thin air is amazing. That we can see a problem or something that is a need in the marketplace, create a product or service, market it to the right person, and create wealth is exciting to me, is invigorating. And I enjoy working in this space so much so that in 2019, I founded the Plan to Prosper Small Business Academy. And it is a small business academy for entrepreneurs who want to learn more to earn more. Now, there are a lot of coaches out there that are teaching different things on how to attract the right customer or how to do marketing, how to do Facebook ads. That is not what we do in the Plan to Prosper Small Business Academy. We learn a little bit about marketing, but most of our focus is about business knowledge, about how to understand the numbers of your business, how to get comfortable with it. There are lots of entrepreneurs out there who are not comfortable with the numbers of their business. They're actually afraid of math. But entrepreneurs are numbers people, which is why I created Accounting Basics for Entrepreneurs. This online course has 8 modules with over 20 lessons and video trainings narrated by me. It is self-paced, actionable lessons. So by the end of this course, you're going to understand each component it takes to build a successful accounting system. There is an interactive workbook for each lessons with actionable steps for you to take. And it is not intimidating. Take a deep breath. This is not I'm not trying to give you an accounting degree or make you a CPA or make you cringe. It's to help you get comfortable with the numbers of your business. Your business is talking to you. So all the work that we've done thus far leads us to this. So that was just a little snippet of one of the lessons of me talking in the course that you see here on the screen. This is actually on your financial reports. So your financial reports is the actual money story of your business. If you think about when you hear about a business on the news or if you read about it online, it's always telling you a story. It'll say in the first quarter of this year, this company sold X number of units and made $2.5 million. Or this company during this year filed taxes and did this. This company hired this many employees. This company is the number one seller of blah, 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 blah. So every company has a money story. And so does your company. So does your business. So just imagine that story being told by you, but only you can do that when you have an accounting system. And you probably have an accounting system with your maybe with your tax preparer or with your bookkeeper or an accountant. So but all the work that we've done thus far is the only person leads that can tell us your story. You have to understand what your numbers mean and how you can make changes and decisions based on that. So the Plan to Prosper Small Business Academy is an overarching teaching network, but this course, it falls under that umbrella. So when you enroll in this course, you'll get 3-month access to the academy where we have additional workshops for your learning. Remember, we learn more to earn more, and it helps to build your knowledge. But 12 months out of the year, we'll always have special trainings and events and discount opportunities for Academy members. So, who is this course for? So, entrepreneurs who want to, is this you? Do you want to consistently pay yourself a salary while working with only the clients that you love? To be able to do that, you have to be able to look at your financial data, understand what your profitability is, where your money is coming from. You got to have money consistently to make sure you have that money to cover your salary and your expenses. You have to do both. You have to pay all of the expenses of your business, including your income taxes. You're an entrepreneur that wants to manage your cash flow, create a path to profitability, and scale your business. You cannot do that by throwing spaghetti at the wall, people. You have to understand the numbers of your business and make adjustments accordingly. It might be a product or service that you're selling that's actually costing you money. Can you believe that? It might be something you have so much inventory in something that you can't move it, you can't sell it. But if you would have looked at your numbers before you made the investment, you might have even saw that there is no demand for this, that we are not making money with this product or service, or it's too expensive to deliver, or it needs to be packaged in a different way. All of those are business problems that are answered with a business solution. So also, your this course is for you if you want to stop solely relying on your accountant, bookkeeper, or tax preparer for financial feedback about your business. So it's not that I don't want you to fire your accountant, or bookkeeper, or tax preparer. I'm an accountant, so I'm team accountant, bookkeeper, tax preparer. That is not the case at all. But only you can tell your financial story. You cannot wait till the end of the year to know if you made a profit. So when I talked about those stories that the big companies get about their business, they're getting those stories day by day, week by week, month by month, quarter by quarter. You have to understand the numbers of your business. So we're saying here that we don't want you to rely on your bookkeeper or accountant as the sole source of information about your business. We want you to be able to look at your financials on a periodic basis. I would say daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, and annually, to be able to make decisions about your business, to understand when you have enough cash in the bank to invest in a new line, or to expand a product or service, or to even pay yourself a salary, or even start maybe a retirement savings for you. All those are business decisions, but you cannot do them prematurely. And your business will tell you when it needs something. It will tell you when it's a good time to do X, Y, and Z. But you have to understand the language of business to be able to do it. Finally, this course is for you if you do not have an accounting system at all. That is not a good thing. How are you seeing the outcomes of your business activity if you do not have an accounting system that reflects the income and expense and what's happened during period by period? How do you know which products and services are the most profitable? An accounting system is required. So, business problems require business knowledge. Bottom line, business problems require business knowledge. So, you just continuing to throw money, throw spaghetti at the wall, good money out the bed might not be the solution. Accounting is the language of business, period. I wish you could see me because I'm doing the chop, the period. Accounting is the language of business. And it is important that you, as an entrepreneur, invest in your business knowledge today to get a better understanding of what your business is saying. What the heck is your business saying? So, again, we talked about the 8 modules, and I wanted to take a moment to talk a little bit more about what they are. So, in module 1, we talk about why entrepreneurs need business knowledge. We talked a little bit about it here, but we go more in depth. There are absolute reasons that entrepreneurs need business now need accounting knowledge, I should say. Number one is that even if you have a tax preparer and you sign that return, you and only you, entrepreneur, are responsible for the numbers on that return. You cannot say I did not know. You cannot say I did not understand. You, as an entrepreneur, are saying I understand the money going in and the money going out of my business. It is important that you understand that. In Module 2, we give an introduction to the basics of accounting. I'll give you some terminology. In Module 3 and 4, we break that down even further. Module 3 talks about money in. Money can only do two things in your business. Money can go in and come out, and hopefully the money in is bigger than the money out. So money in are the basic concepts of around revenue and expense. And Module 4 is the money out concepts around expenses. Module 5, we talk about how to read your money story. There's a story for your business, and it's your financial reports. We talk about that in Module 6. We talk about internal controls. That's the checks and balances to make sure that the numbers of your business are good, that you don't have product walking out the door, that you are reconciling your bank accounts on a regular basis to make sure that money story is solid. And this is very important if you're expecting to expand your business or scale it or hire people. You have to have some structures in place, standard operating procedures that help you ensure that the integrity of the financial story. In Module 7, we talk about software solutions. There are several software solutions out on the market, and there are two parts to it. One is the accounting system, but also the other part are the point of sale systems. So if you have Etsy, if you have Acuity or Calendly, where you're scheduling or you're completing a transaction, you might have a Square store, a Squarespace store where people are buying products and services. So that's the front point of sale system that's pointing to the customer, but that needs to be connected to an accounting system so you're actually categorizing that income correctly to flow into that financial story. And then finally, in Module 8, we do a course wrap up and talk about what you've learned. So, Accounting Basics for Entrepreneurs is the course where we learn all those things. I'm so excited to bring this to you. I think that we have created a great product. If you have questions, the link is below to for you to register to ask more questions. You can of course post them below this post, and I'll be glad to answer them personally. I ask you, where are you today in your business and where do you want to go? Here at the Plan to Prosper Small Business Academy, our goal is that you learn more so that you can earn more. So we ask you to enroll today. The link is below. And again, I would like to also in the bottom of this post, if you have questions or if you have what you've learned about your accounting or what you don't know, struggles, you could write your success stories on what you've done and what you've learned about accounting over the years, what opportunities it brought you. And I look forward to hearing from you. And I challenge you today to enroll today. The enrollment link is below. Thank you and have a great day. Go forth and prosper. Do great things.